Hey guys, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and I'm trying to do an example from Section 5.5. This is on U substitution. This is number 17. It says use the change of variables to evaluate the following integral. And we have the indefinite integral of the secant of 20w times the tangent of 20w dw. So looking at this, remember, we're trying to find something that's going to make for a good antiderivative here. So we do know, hopefully, from doing the derivative sections in this class, that the secant of x, or the derivative with respect to x, secant of x is equal to secant x tangent x. All right. So we know this. So we know that going the reverse direction, the antiderivative of secant x tangent x would be equal to just secant x here. So I'm going to use that knowledge kind of work in this problem here. That means that I want to let my u substitution here just be the 20w, so that way I can get it looking just like this over here. So here I'm going to let u equal 20w. That means my derivative of u is going to equal, let me make that a little bit better here. My derivative of u is going to equal 20 times dw. So this is where I look back in my integral and I see once I take care of the secant 20w, tangent 20w, all I have left is a dw. So I don't need that 20 here. So I'm going to divide both sides by 20. So I'm going to get 1 over 20 du is just equal to dw. And what that's going to let me do is it will let me basically substitute everything out of here I need to get out of w's and into u's. Alright, so once I do that, now I'm going to have, so the secant of 20w, so that's going to be the secant of, well, 20w is equal to u, so secant of u. The tangent of u, and then remember dw is 1 over 20 du, and that 1 over 20 can go right out to the outside of this, so that is secant u tangent u du. And that is just looking like that here. So now we can go the other direction and find the antiderivative. So that is 1 over 20 times just the secant of u plus c. And finally, we have to substitute back the 20w for u. So this is 1 over 20 secant of 20w plus c, and that will be our final answer there. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Thanks.